Hey guys, we're gonna work on organizing our money and putting it in and taking out of your wallet. I have a man's wallet today. And what you're gonna do is you're first gonna sort your bills into dollars, $10, and $5 because you don't want them all bunched up like this because then you don't really know how much money you have. So I have one $10 bill. Here's $1, $5, dollar, 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 and dollar. So what I do is I take the dollars first, I pick them up, and I get them ready. Then I put my $5 behind it, and then I put my $10 behind that, so they're all in a row. Then I open my wallet nice and big. So I did you see how I used my pinky finger to open the wallet, and then I slide the money in one side and then the other side, okay? So what we're gonna do is we're gonna play a little game, and you can do this at home. I labeled some groceries, and I'm gonna pretend I went grocery shopping, and then my son Andrew is gonna be the cashier, and he's gonna tell me how much money I owe, and then I'm gonna show you how to take it out of your wallet. So I just went to the store, I got cereal, I got a bar, I got some coconut water for some smoothies, and I got some cream. Hi.
Hi, good morning.
How are you?
Pretty good, how are you?
Great. Okay, these are my groceries. If you could add them up. So that one was $4.99. This one was $6.05. Let's see, this one is $2.49. And what's that?
$3.
$3. All right, let's hope I have enough money.
Your total is $16.53.
Okay, so $16.53. So if I had a $20 bill, I could just give 20, but I don't have that. So I have to open my wallet, and if it's 16 what?
53.
53, I round up to the next highest dollar, which would be 17. So I'm going to take my money out of my wallet, and I'm going to give him $10, and then plus 5, and then I'm going to give him, so that's 15, and if I rounded it up to 17, I give $2 more. Then he's going to put it in his register, and he's going to give me some change, but Mrs. Brown doesn't have any change, so we'll pretend that. But then look what I do with my extra money. I open my wallet and I slide it in. And then, because I gave him $17 and it was $16, I do get some change. And I'm gonna put the change in my wallet, and then I'm gonna close my wallet. So practice this at home. Try different dollar bills, try different amounts, and see if you guys can have fun with practicing using your wallet. Great job.